right, so let's go ahead and replace the clutch drum on the Echo CS310. And they have different models you could use it on, CS352, CS353ES. And I believe there's Shindaiwa 305S and 340S. So this one comes with the bearing. Okay, and the one we currently have, all the sprockets are pretty much, eaten up. All right, so let's say the bearing, and that's it. So let's go ahead and take out the old one. Very simple job. We'll put a little bit of oil in this or grease, and then get this installed. All right, let's go ahead and remove the chain and the guide, the 1/2-inch socket. All right, so we're going to remove these little C-clip using a small flat screwdriver. Grab onto it so make sure it doesn't fly to the other side of the moon. This one has a little washer, kind of like goes in one way. It's got a shape to it. And this slides right out. As you can see, it has been eaten up, so the chain feels like it kind of like gets stuck there. We're also going to be replacing the chain tomorrow, but I ordered it already. But definitely, clutch is still kind of good, still works. Make sure you unlock this, because if not, the brake will not let you pull it out. It does have the bearing in there, which we're going to replace. Do an inspection, clean it the best possible you can. Don't overdo it with any of the grease in here, because then it'll go into the clutch assembly when it spins out. Just put enough for the bearing. Let's clean it real good. Make sure you clean the little C-clip channel. Make sure it's not full of any debris, so it could catch real good when you put it back in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of grease on there. Make sure you get the inside too. So don't go overdo it. Put a little bit inside just in case. All right, so it's in. The washer. In the C-clip. Sure it goes into the correct channel. Pair of pliers. Lock it in. And you're pretty much good to go. Make sure it locks perfect. And make sure it spins freely. Beautiful. Clean it, and we are pretty much done. Perfect. All right, we're pretty much done. Now I'm just waiting for the new chain, and that's pretty much it. Super simple, and it'll make your chain last a little longer too. This one's like this; it's already messed up. So there we go. If you got any questions, comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow, and do check out the links. They do help out the channel.